Thank you so much for the inquiry. My name is Zaira, and I'm a sales director here at Velocity Modern Classics. Allow me to introduce you to a 1970 classic Ford Bronco in a Porsche White and Arabian interior. It's going to be outfitted with a 5.0 Coyote engine that gives you 465 horsepower and supported with a 10-speed automatic overdrive transmission. It's complemented with some proprietary components that really give you the velocity difference and enjoy the ride. It sits on 33-inch tires and 17-inch wheels. And you're going to have a classic look or an upgraded billet package and an upgraded 6-point roll cage with 3-point restraining belts. It comes with retractable power steps, a classic look or an upgraded interior billet package, and it comes with a custom marine interior that is easy to clean. Your deck lid is going to be open as your nostalgic feel where you pull that door handle with rhino lining and floor mats in every piece of your interior so you can enjoy and protect your vehicle. Your Bronco is going to come with 4 speakers on each panel and an amplified subwoofer with a stereo that gives you modern day capabilities and a really good sound. Why don't we turn it on so you hear what it sounds like? As you can hear, it's not obnoxious, but just loud enough to get your neighbor's attention. I can't wait to work with you.